Huge thanks to the my staff at Cirque, piece by piece. They're starting to do the interior panels for me. Same material. Really happy. Got quite a few done there. Just going to keep working on them bit by bit. Chuffed to bits with that. That's more progress for us. Great. More work done on the panelling. Doing a bit each day. My fabricator's doing these. So the more we keep chipping away at it. So these are all the small pieces. And then obviously there's the larger panels to do yet. But great job. Great job on those. Really happy. Once they're all done, powder coaters, and then we'll try our foot them in the car first, then there'll be the powder coaters. We'll go from there. So right now I'm at Hayling Garage on Hayling Island. As you can see over there, that's our old motorhome. Can you believe that? It's all been redone inside. Brilliant job. Mike's got all this trim for us. There's acres of trim in there, so we're going to be able to work out what we can do with it and what trim we'll need. But there's a lot of trim there that we would be desperate for, so we're so thankful to these guys. But yeah, that's the motorhome. All done inside and everything. I didn't even recognise it. Great. Mark's just gone to shut the alarm off on that car. He's leaning on it. But yeah, this is Hayling Island Garage, right on the main road. They're absolutely flat out non-stop. There's the race truck. The Camaro's in there. See it? Beautiful Camaro in there. And we've unloaded, and there's absolutely so much trim. Tons of it I can go through, and we've got to make a list and then see what we need. But it's such a very kind offer from these guys. Mark's been an absolute superstar. So yeah, looking forward to getting this all laid out, see what we've got, and the possibility of other trim being available is also there. So yeah, big thanks to these guys. The truck's pretty much rammed up now with the turbos and the trim. So right, let's get on with it. What a lovely bunch of guys. Really nice setup. I am currently at Robert's Motor Bodies in Sheffield. Brian and his friend have been going through the car. I'm gobsmacked, really. The work and effort that's gone into this. It's on its second, it's been in the booth, it's had a light prime, now they're doing the blocking, and we're getting close to it going back in the booth again. There's so much work, but I've run my hands over this, it's so smooth, beautiful. You wouldn't recognise it as the same car. Brian's just taking me around some of the key points, and there's still a little more to do, but it's not anywhere close to what it was. We're in the last, in his words, we're in the last kind of 95%, 90%. The firewall, we're reworking anyway, so we're not putting big attention on that. Pete Smith will be looking at that for me. But yeah, how awesome is that? I can't really show you the roof, but there's so much work gone into that roof. It's done bear thinking about. Brian has done an amazing job, as I knew he would. His quality is just superb. The photographs I have before this car, after this car came out of blasters, were pretty soul destroying. But yeah, he's done a phenomenal job.